Hey everyone, it's Amy with American Cutting Edge. I want to welcome you to our new website. We're very excited about it. We are working to make cutting a lot more effortless for our customers, and we think you're really going to enjoy your shopping experience. I want to show you, first of all, how to create an account as an existing American Cutting Edge customer. This is for somebody who's been shopping with us for a while. They've got an account number and want to create an account on the website. So we're going to go to My Account. And we're going to create a new account. And I know you're probably thinking, wait a minute, I already have an existing, I don't have a web account. But this is for people who already have a new website account. So you're really creating a website account. Now, when we get to the next screen, it says I have an existing account, and that's the one you want to pick because you do have an existing American Cutting Edge account. So we're going to put in our information here. Oops. And then we're going to put in our customer number, and that's a number that can be found on your invoices. And get my customer number in here. Oops, make sure I've got that right. There we go. And you want to use the zip code that is associated with your account and an email address. I'm using a Gmail. And then you want to pick a strong password and make sure that matches. And then create the account. Okay, now you can see here, it automatically takes us when we create this account to the My Account section of the website, which is a really valuable area. So because you're an existing customer, you can see under here, you've got your customer number that you used. You also have your current account balance, and that's not just for your website orders. That is for any order that you have placed with American Cutting Edge. And if you are a terms customer, which means we invoice you for your orders instead of you paying on the spot with a credit card, then this includes absolutely everything that you owe for. Now under here we have your contact information. You can edit and change your password. You can edit that information here if you want to. You can indicate whether you want to change your password or your email. Under address book, it will pull automatically your default billing and shipping address information that we have on record for you. But the nice thing about this is if you want to add a new address, you can do that. So let's say you have another location in another town, another part of the country, or even another part of the world. You can add that address here and it will show up as an option, including phone number and all that information. And then if you need to change it to your default address later, you can control that down here as well. Going into account information, so like I said, you can edit it there. We have a section here called My Product Reviews, and since we have just created this web account, you don't have any product reviews yet. However, as you are using American Cutting Edge products and you want to leave a review, something that you found helpful, something that you want customers to know, you just want to talk about what a great product you received, you can do that on the product pages, and then any product reviews that you have left will show up right here. Newsletter subscriptions, that's something that we're working on. We will be including different specific subscriptions for newsletters based on industries that we serve, so keep an eye out for that. And under invoices, My Invoices, here you have a record of all of the invoices that you have received from American Cutting Edge. And you can see here that we also include the tracking information. You can actually view the invoice right from here so that you can print it, or you can even reorder the item. You have a couple options. You can hit reorder here, or you can go back here and you can also reorder from the screen as well. So that is an option. So then we have My Sales Orders, and you can look up any order that you have placed in the past. All you need is you can use your PO, your web order, your sales order number, You can view those as well from here. And again, you can reorder. So it's very easy to do. And here's the information about how it shipped, what the promise date was. Now, under My RMA, that's Return Merchandise Authorization. So in the off chance that you have had something that you needed to return, maybe you ordered the wrong size or you needed a different material, you would contact your American Cutting Edge representative, and they would provide you an RMA number, and they would walk you through that process. And so this area provides you with an opportunity to check in on those, see where we're at with it. You can view the RMA. You can see here it was received. And this provides, what the action is supposed to be, how many were returned, and all that information that you need. We also have a quick order form. Now this order form, let's say you have an item that you order on a regular basis. So I'm just going to put in an item number here, and you can hit add products, and it will add this to your cart, and you can check out right from the order form. So it's just a very quick option when you know exactly what you want and you know your item number. So we're going to choose second day air, and next. We're going to, since you are an existing customer and you have terms associated with your account, you're able to choose net 30 payment so that we can invoice you for this order. And you can put in a PO number so that you're able to correlate that to your purchasing department or your accounting department. And then you just hit place order. Now this is going to take you to what we call a success screen. So it says, yes, we got your order. We thank you for your purchase. Here's your order number. And you're going to receive in the email address associated with your account an order confirmation as well as tracking information once this ships. So you can see here it takes you right to your sales order. Here's the order number and all of the detailed information. Now under My Payments, you are able to search your payment history. So you can enter, from a date range, confirmation number, invoice numbers, and you're able to search for those. Now under My Products, this is a really exciting addition to the website. We have a lot of customers who have items that we have created specifically for them. And this area right here under My Products will show you all of your custom products. And so these aren't viewable to the rest of our customer base. These are specifically your items that are custom to you. And you're able to add to the cart and check out from here for those as well. So showing you here, we've got all of the categories that we offer online in the catalog. As I mentioned before, if it's not something that you're not finding exactly what it is that you need, it doesn't mean we don't make it. We literally have tens of thousands of items. So it's very possible it's just not something that we typically sell through the web. So I encourage you to please contact us if you have any questions, if you're not seeing exactly what it is that you need, or if you have a custom need. We have these two areas up here where you can request a quote and contact us. So that's all for this walkthrough. If you have any questions, please reach out via the Contact Us form. We look forward to working with you, and happy cutting.